So here's how to promote Temu products on Instagram. But before we start, you can go ahead and click on my link down in the description in order to get a free $100 coupon bundle for new users. So now, as you can see, we're currently in the Temu website. Once you're here, you will get to see all of these options on the top panel, like bestsellers, 5-star rated, and more. You can also click on categories to check them out. And on the right here, you have your orders and account section. After that, we have the support section over here. And on this section, you can change your language, currency, and even the country. To get the app, click on Get the App on the top right. Now, scroll down to the bottom to this section over here. Click on Affiliate and Influencer. After that, you'll be taken on to this page right here. Now, you need to click on Got It. After that, on this section, you will get to see all of these information, like 30% commission. You can click on Details to learn more. After that, you can also see the amount that you will receive per download from new users. On the right, you can see all the options you have for withdrawal. And on the top here, you can see Share Link, Get Referrals, and Earn Commission. On the left panel over here, you can see all of these sections that you can check out. But for now, we will click on Hot Items. So once you're here on this section, you will get to see all the trending items on Temu. Just wait for this page to load up, and you will be able to view all the items. So over here, these are the most trending items right now on Temu. You can scroll through and check them out. If you go over to the top, you will get to see different categories that you can choose from. So swipe through to check out the categories. You can also select exclusive deal, free gift, direct from brand, and filter. And if you want, you can use the search options on the top. So for now, let's go ahead and choose a category from the top. For this video, let's go with books. So as you can see, all the items related to books will be available over here. You will find books as well as accessories needed for books. And as you can see, each of these items have their commission rates displayed right here. You can go through each of these items to check out their commission rates. So let's go ahead and select this one. Once you're in, you will get to see all the images available on the left side. This way, you can check out the item. And on the right, you have the title of this item. And right below the title, as you can see, this is a bestseller, which means it is a high-performing book. You can also check out the reviews by clicking on the link. Then, you can get to see other information and choose a quantity if you want to order the book. And below, you will get to see some more information about the shipping and more about Temu. After that, if you scroll down further, you will get to see some additional images. You can select an image and download it. So as you can see, the image has been downloaded onto our PC. This way, you can go ahead and download as many images of the item as you want. You can also click on See More in the bottom. Then, you will get to see some more images of this book. This way, choose the images and download them for your Instagram. Once you're done downloading the images, let's go ahead and move on to the Instagram website. From here, make sure that you're logged in. Now, move on to the left panel and click on Create. After that, select Post, Live Video, or Add according to your preference. Now, I will click on Post. Here, you need to click on Select from Computer, or drag and drop the images right here. Also, if the images are downloaded in a different format, you can change the format of the images using this website over here. Just upload the images here and then click on Convert to and select PNG. Then click on Convert Now. After that, your images will be converted to PNG from WebP. Now, just go ahead and download the images. After that, your images will be downloaded onto your computer. Now open the folder and check them out. So once it's done downloading, you can move on to the Instagram website. So let's go ahead and open the Instagram page. Here, let's click on Select from Computer. Now, just choose the images and upload them. After that, you can check out the images on Instagram on this page right here. Then once done, click on Next on the top. Now, on the right side, you will get to see these options for filters. You can go ahead and choose any filter for your image that you like. As you can see, there are a lot of filters to choose from. So this way, you can either select your desired filter or click on the adjustments option on the top. Then you can adjust these settings according to your preference. Now click on Next. So now for the description section, let's go ahead and open up the Temu page again. From here, we will select the book title and copy it. Then you need to move on to the Instagram page and paste the details over here. You can also type in additional details if you want, such as a link to the product, discounts, material, etc. So to get the link for this product, let's go ahead and move on to the Temu website. In the Temu website, you will need to go over to this page over here. Then click on Share. After that, you will get to see some information about the book. Now, just go ahead and copy this link you can see over here. You can select the entire link and copy or click on the copy option. Once done, go back to Instagram and paste the link over here. Now, all you need to do is put in some additional information if you want. To attract more customers, you can go ahead and type in a discount amount for your product. That way, it's more likely to get conversions. You can also add emojis by clicking on this option. After that, you have the option to add location. So if you want a certain location, you can select it from here. You can also choose your current location if you want. After that, you have the option to add collaborators. Then, accessibility. From here, you can type in alt text for your images, which sometimes may or may not help with SEO. So just as an example, I will copy some part of the title and paste it in the alt text section, which you can just go ahead and describe the image. After that, we have advanced settings. This is where you can see all of these settings and customize them according to your preference. So go through them and make any changes that you like. Now, go ahead and click on Share on the top right. Then, all you need to do is wait for your post to be posted on Instagram. Sometimes it might take a little while, depending on your internet speed. So as you can see, our post has been shared. Now, all you need to do is promote it to your followers. You can do paid promotions if you want. Now, let's go over to the profile section, and as you can see, our post is right here. If you have a large follower base, that's a bonus. But if you don't, you can also try out paid ads to reach more customers. And that is exactly how to promote Temu products on Instagram.